Hello friends, welcome to my channel Fashion Feeders. I hope you all are very well. Today I am sharing a review on Philips mini hair dryer. Let's see how the product is. I brought it from Amazon. It received in cardboard packaging. It has a seal from Philips. Now I show it to you. Open the seal. Let's see. Open the box. The original price is 1095, but I got this 845 only from Amazon. It has two color options, purple and blue. It has two heat settings. Middle one is normal airflow and top one is hot airflow, and last one is switch off, and it has a hook also. The quality of the cord is great, and the wear length is also good. This is user manual and warranty card. It works so nicely on my hair. This is so comfortable and travel friendly. I love this product. If you like this video, please do subscribe, like and share. Thank you for watching this video.